India is known as the land of rivers due to its extensive network of major and minor rivers, which makes it rich culturally, economically, and geographically. Today, the River Club of Graz International School, Bhartiya Nadi Katha, will be presenting a speech and a ballet in front of you all.
Respected Principal Ma'am, distinguished teachers and dear students, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today, Graz International School River Club Bhartiya Nadi Katha proudly presents the Youth for Ganga and Youth for Yamuna Awareness Program in collaboration with Eco Roots Foundation under the esteemed mission of Namami Gange, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India. The sacred Ganga River and Yamuna River are the lifelines of our nation. They support millions of lives, nurture biodiversity, and hold immense cultural and spiritual importance. However, due to pollution and human negligence, these rivers are facing serious challenges today. Through this program, our students aim to spread awareness about river conservation and inspire everyone to protect our environment. To begin this meaningful program, I would like to invite Ishika to deliver a speech on the importance of saving our rivers and preserving nature for future generations.
Good afternoon, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, distinguished guests, and my dear friends. On behalf of Bhartiya Nadi Katha, the River Club of Graz International School, I warmly welcome everyone to the Youth for Ganga, Youth for Yamuna Awareness Program, organized in collaboration with Eco Roots Foundation under the Namami Gange mission of Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India. Today's program is not just an event, but a pledge to protect our lifelines, the sacred Ganga and Yamuna rivers. These rivers are deeply connected to India's culture, civilization, and daily life. Yet, today they face severe pollution due to plastic waste, sewage, and human negligence. But change begins with us, the youth. Young minds have the power to spread awareness, inspire communities, and become true river warriors. Even a small steps like avoiding plastic, conserving water, and keeping our surroundings clean can make a big difference. Friends, if river could speak, they would ask us only one question. Will you protect us after we have given you life for centuries? The answer lies in our action. Let us pledge today to protect our rivers, promote cleanliness, and work toward a greener and healthier future. Because when we save our rivers, we save our future. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Ishika. Art and music, dance, they have the power to touch hearts and spread awareness in the most beautiful way. Our next presentation is a ballet performance. It is dedicated to the message of river conservation and environmental protection. Through melody, rhythm, and expression, our students will portray the beauty of the plethora of rivers of India, and they urge that it should be protected since it's a gift from our Mother Nature. Please welcome the participants. The dancers are Nidhi, Dimple, Ashi, Himanshi, Advika, Namrata. The singers are Arpita, Kanakraj, Yuvraj, Ritika, Vihan Sharma, Adiraj, Devanshi, Vaishnavi, and Abha, and we also have Jojo.
Jale
what a wonderful and meaningful program it has been. Today's presentations beautifully reminded us that protecting our rivers is not just a responsibility, but a necessity for a sustainable future. Let us all take a pledge to save water, reduce pollution, and work together to preserve our precious rivers. On behalf of the River Club 2026-27 and Graz International School, I sincerely thank our respected Principal Ma'am. Special thanks to Shruti Ma'am, Priyanka Ma'am, Paramita Ma'am, and Sanchari Ma'am, and all the teachers, students, and everyone present here for making this program successful. Together, let us become the true river warriors and contribute towards a cleaner, greener, and healthier India. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.